Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how we can create or change before visit templates. First of all, you should log in your own account using login data. After that, you should choose your board. And then we are going to message templates and open reminders before visit. So you can see some standard templates here, but I want to add a new one, pressing this button. In this area you should write the template's name. You can name it as you want. So for example, we name it as a test. And then we can choose who will get this message, client or master. In our case, we should choose client. In this area, we should choose how many hours before visit client will get this message. In our case, it's equal to 24 hours. And then you should pick categories for which templates is going to work. Also, you have some additional options like do not submit for recordings made less than 24 hours before the session. And now we can write our message. And I have created one for this video yet. So copy it and paste here. Right. Our template was added. Switching on this template and press the add button. Right, as we can see, our template was successfully added. And let's add one more template, but before 2 hours, not for 24 hours. Name it as a test before 2 hours. To the client, choose all categories and write down our message again. Switching on and press add button. So it was similar with previous one, and in the message you can write any text as you want. And now I want to show you how we can create a fixing time template. So let's add a new template, name it as test with a fixing time, to the client, and in this area we write number 1 with a minus symbol, and then clicking on empty space, and we wait for additional field appearing. Right, here it is. We have got a new row where we write the time when our template starts sends. For example, 12 AM. It means that the bot starts send notifications every day at 12 AM to all clients. Then choose categories and write our message. Also, you can write nothing in a template name. Switching on our template and press add button. So our fixing time template was successfully added, and we can use it. For example, if you don't want that your client get messages before 24 hours, but want that all your clients get messages on certain time every day, you should use this type of templates. And as we have fixing time template, we can switch off the template before 24 hours. So press the edit button and switching off the template and press save. Right, and now I want to show you how we can edit the template. So press this button, edit button, and now it's time to make some adjustments. For example, I want to add a variable. And also I want to add some emoji. So we have changed our template, and now it's time to press save button. As you can see, it was changed. And now I want to show you one more thing. Also, you can notice in the text were some numbers like 1 and 3, using for accepting or cancelling booking. For these messages, client also gets certain templates, and we can find it in the WhatsApp main menu. Scrolling down, here it is, the first one, using for visit confirmation, and the second one with the number 3 for appointment cancellation. Also, we can change it using edit button, make some adjustments. I want to add an emoji, and now we can press save button. But I want to tell that you shouldn't change this function because it has already configured automatically. Right, check our changes. As we can see, it was successfully set. And that's all for today. Thank you for attention. And in case if you have any questions, you can write to technical support. We will be glad to help you. Bye.